morning, dear students. How are you this morning? I hope you are fine. Okay, dear students, for the last 2 days we have been discussing about quadrilaterals, and the name of the chapter is Understanding Quadrilaterals. In this chapter, first of all, we discussed the topic, that is the concept of polygon. Then we discussed the concept of a regular polygon. We also discussed the concept of a closed figure and an open figure, right? Now, apart from that, we also discussed about the ASP. ASP, I want to remind you again, A stands for angle, S stands for sum, P stands for property, right? So, we discussed about the ASP of a polygon, and we also discussed about the ASP of a regular polygon like equilateral triangle and square. Okay, today in our class we are going to discuss the topic sum of measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, dear students, now the very first question that may prevails in your mind about the concept of exterior angle. ठीक है, आपको ये समझना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है कि एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या होता है फॉर अ पॉलीगॉन. ओके, सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल, I want to tell you that exterior angle is an angle which can be formed for any regular or irregular polygon by extending one of its side, so that the exterior angle can be formed by using the extended side and one of the side of the polygon. Let's take one example. This is a triangle, right? Let's name this triangle A, B and C. Now what I am going to do exactly, I am going to extend this segment BC up to D. Now you can see one of the angle is created here. Let's name it 1. This angle 1 is formed with the extended side of BC and one of the side of the polygon named as CA. So angle 1 is called as an exterior angle. You may say, sir, can we get more exterior angle for the same figure? The answer is yes. How? Just extend CA towards E. Here is the second exterior angle. Similarly, we can also extend AB towards the point, let's say, called F. So this angle 3 is your another exterior angle. So I need to say, for any polygon having n number of sides, n means number of sides, right? For n number of sides, there are n number of exterior angles. जैसे कि हमें पता है कि triangle has 3 sides, right? So triangle has 3 sides, so triangle has 3 exterior angles, right? Now basically we are going to discuss in deep about this exterior angle. ठीक है, तो what is that exterior angle property? The exterior angle property says that sum of the exterior angle of a polygon, sum of the exterior angle polygon is always 360 degree. You may think, does it work for any kind of polygon? Yes बेटा, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि पॉलीगॉन चाहे 3 साइड से बना हो, जो कि मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स चाहिए, या पॉलीगॉन चाहे 10 साइड से बना हो या 12 साइड से बना हो या n नंबर ऑफ साइड से बना हो, if you add the exterior angle present in that particular polygon, so it will be exactly 360 degree, right? Now let us see the proof. You can also do a small activity at your place. Okay, so that is what I am going to do for you. Suppose this is a triangle, right? It has 3 interior angles. One of the interior angle is here. Let's say it is 100 degree. One of the interior angle is here. Let's say it is your 70 degree, and this is third angle. Let's say this is your 10 degree. 100 plus 70 plus 10, it is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle as per that. अब हम देखेंगे कि एंगल 1, एंगल 2 और एंगल 3 का सम जो है वो 360 होता है या नहीं. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. अगर हम एंगल 1 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करें, सो यू नो दैट एंगल 1 एंड 10 डिग्री दे आर लीनियर पेयर. इसका मतलब उन दोनों का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 180 डिग्री. नाउ अगर मैं ये इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करूं, the value of angle 1 will become 170 degree. 10 is transpose, 180 minus 10 is equal to 170 degree. Okay, great. Now let's talk about angle 2. Angle 2 and 100 degree, they are also supplement. उन दोनों का सम कितना हो जाएगा? 180 degree. Because they are linear pairs, you know that their sum is 180 degree. So in that case, angle 2 is 80 degree. Correct? Now the third angle, that is our angle 3. Angle 3 and 70 degree, they are also linear pair. और इन दोनों का सम कितना हो जाना चाहिए? ये भी 180 डिग्री. So accordingly, angle 3 is becoming 110 degree. Correct? Now let us find out the sum of angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, जो कि हमारे एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. करेक्ट. सो ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स के सम कितने हो रहे हैं? नथिंग टू डू मोर, जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ द एंगल्स. हाउ मच दे आर? ठीक है, आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग हियर. इट इज 170 डिग्री प्लस 80 डिग्री प्लस 110 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू, यू कैन काउंट इट ओरली आल्सो, राइट? 170 प्लस 80 250, 250 plus 110 is equal to 360 degree. So here is the proof that the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. You can also have a recap of it. Here EAP stands for exterior angle property. और यहाँ पे हमारा जो polygon है उसका नाम है triangle. तो exterior angle of this triangle is equal to 360 degree. हम लोगों ने क्या किए? हम लोगों ने एज्यूम किए कि ये जो इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज सपोज टू बी 100 डिग्री, 70 डिग्री एंड 10 डिग्री. अकॉर्डिंगली हम लोगों ने उनका लीनियर पेयर्स की जो वैल्यूज है, जैसे एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 170 डिग्री, एंगल 2 हैज बिकम 80 डिग्री एंड एंगल 3 हैज बिकम 110 डिग्री, जिनका सम इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. सो दिस प्रूफ कैन बी डन for any other type of polygon as per your wish. याद रखिए, पॉलीगॉन रेगुलर होना बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है. पॉलीगॉन कैन बी ऑफ एनी टाइप. इट मे बी रेगुलर, इट मे बी irregular. You can take example at your place and you can find out, check out, right? Now the next topic to be covered today is each exterior angle of a regular polygon. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा सा आपको अंडरलाइन करवाना चाहूंगा रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन. ठीक है, आप सबको फर्स्ट क्लास में बताया गया था कि रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन क्या होते हैं. ठीक है, रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन आर दोज पॉलीगॉन हु आर हैविंग साइड्स एंड नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, बट द साइड्स आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ एंड द ईच इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर ऑफ इक्वल मेजर्स. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन इफ द पॉलीगॉन इज रेगुलर? In that case, what will be the value of each exterior angle? ठीक है, without taking much time, let us take one example of regular polygon, and the very common and my favorite regular polygon is, my favorite means my personal favorite. Okay, so is a square, right? You can assume any other polygon like equilateral triangle. You can take regular pentagon also. Okay, this is my square, and you all know that each angle of the square, interior angle of the square is 90 degree, right? Let me draw the exterior angle of it. This is the first angle, angle 1. This is the second angle, angle 2. This is the third angle, angle 3, and this is The last but not the least, this is the fourth angle, angle 4. Now, what will happen to each of the exterior angle if the polygon is a regular one? Okay? Let us find out. You know that this particular angle and angle 1, yani angle 1 plus 90 degree, they are supplement, they are linear pair, so that's why they are supplement. So it is 180 degree. Accordingly, angle 1 is measuring 90 degree. Correct? Similarly, angle 90 degree and angle 2 की अगर हम बात करें और उसको solve करने जाएं, तो they are also linear pair and accordingly we can get the value of angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Correct? Correct? Okay, fine. Now, similarly, आप orally बता सकते हैं अब angle 3 का वैल्यू क्या हो जाना चाहिए? Yes, you are guessing very correct at your place, and the value is 90 degree, and angle 4 is also 90 degree. Okay, mentally have a calculation. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 90 into 4, 360 degree. We are nowhere breaking the concept of exterior angle property, but यहाँ पे जो हम इंटरेस्टिंग बात देख पा रहे हैं वो है measure of each exterior angle. Right? What is measure of each exterior angle? And the measure of each exterior angle here is 90 degree. In fact, you can say that each exterior angle measures same. तो यहाँ पे एक concept आपको समझ में आया कि each exterior angle of a regular polygon, they are same. They are same. Just keep it underlined in your mind also. Is that clear? Great. So, just have a look. Well, dear students, now you saw that each exterior angle of a regular polygon are equal. So, what is the formula to find out each exterior angle of a regular polygon? ठीक है? जैसे कि आप सबको पता है कि सम ऑफ ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री एंड नंबर ऑफ साइड्स को अगर हम n मान लेते हैं, n स्टैंड्स फॉर नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, राइट? सो ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन विल बी दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय n. यू कैन राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक आल्सो. ठीक है? ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय n. n stands for number of sides. I repeat, my friends, n stands for number of sides, right? What is the formula? Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by n, right? Now let us take one example to make our idea much clear on this particular concept. ठीक है? इसके लिए I have taken one of the example given in your book. ठीक है? I have already written the question. If you have the book at your place, you can see it. If you don't have the book, no problem. I am going to read it out for you. Okay? You can replay the video and you can see it again and again. The question says that find the number of sides of a regular polygon. I want to draw your attention on this particular word. Regular. ठीक है? Regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. ठीक है? इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये होता है कि अगर एक रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है और जिसका हर एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स की मेजरमेंट 45 डिग्री है, उस रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कितना है? यानी फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, ये हमें क्या ढूंढने के लिए पूछ रहे हैं? ये हमें n ढूंढने के लिए बता रहे हैं. ठीक है? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. लेट अस ट्राई. वी नो दैट as per the formula, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equals to 360 degree divided by n, right? ये हमारे लिए बन गया इक्वेशन. ठीक है? इस इक्वेशन में हमें क्या करना है? पुट द वैल्यूज. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. व्हेन यू हैव द इक्वेशन एंड हैविंग द वैल्यूज, नथिंग टू वरीड अबाउट. इट इज जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू एंड गेट द आंसर. इट इज एज सिंपल एज लाइक दैट. ओके? सो ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल हमारा कितना है? 45 डिग्री. जस्ट पुट इट. Here it is given, right? 45 degree. 360 is a constant, nothing to worry about. M जो कि हमें पता नहीं है, and most probably we are going to find it out very soon, right? So n is here. So let us solve the equation. ठीक है? 45 and n. ठीक है? अगर ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, it will become 45n is equal to 360. And to find out n, आपको 45 को क्या करना चाहिए? ट्रांसपोज, यानी 360 divided by 45. Right? 360 divided by 45. You can reduce it. Okay? How? 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36. 9 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5 and 5 8s are 40. Yani we have got that n is equal to 8. Yani we can say that the figure is having 8 number of sides. The regular polygon is having how many sides? 8 number of sides. Is that understood? Let's take a recap. In this particular regular polygon, each exterior angle measurement is given 45 degree. हमें क्या find out करना है? हमें find out करना है number of sides. कैसे find out करेंगे? We know the formula of each exterior angle. Each exterior angle formula is 360 degree divided by n. Right? So just put the values. Just put the values. Each exterior angle is equal to 45 degree. 360 is the constant. N is unknown quantity. Put the values. It is one equation. इस equation में n को transpose करने से 45 into n and it is 360 degree. N is equal to 360 divided by 45, which is giving us 8. And here we are with n is equal to 8. Is that understood? Very good.